I've had an opportunity to transform and change my life. Over the last several years, I've been experiencing quite a bit of pain, and which is what brought me to this moment. Primarily over the last 50 years, I've been suffering with discomfort. My dad broke my jaw twice before I was 13 years old. The first one was set, the second one was not. And over the years, I experienced quite a bit of dental issues, a crooked jaw, a crooked smile. And as a professional speaker, that's the last thing you need. My tool set, the tool that I used to make a living, was damaged. And about 7 years ago, I finally hit a wall because there was so much pain. There were times I was taking pain medication just to be able to speak. My jaw was locked up sometimes in a crooked manner. Eating was an issue. I would eat and I would have some pain, not just dental pain, but jaw pain. And my dentist said, you know what, we think we may have to look at some other options. There's so much that I can do outside of just speaking that I start to think, maybe I should just give up speaking and I can deal with the pain. No, I couldn't. I decided to pull the trigger and work with my dentist and Adara Surgical Institute, and I ended up loving what I went through. I never thought I could ever live another day without pain. The process that I've been through, I thought was arduous. And at first, I thought it's just ever going to be over. Within a very short amount of time, I felt incredible. And now I find myself enjoying my woodworking, enjoy biking, enjoy the things that I normally do for a hobby. And I find myself really not having to worry about putting ice chips in my mouth or taking some ibuprofen and Tylenol. I'm extremely elated. I'm eternally grateful for the transformation that I underwent, one that was 50 years in the making. Dr. Dhaliwal, I think, is a professional, empathetic person. And I think that's the word I would probably use. He understood my nervousness, my pain, and what I was going to experience, and really walked me through it. I can't imagine another human being that would feel that way, considering what I was going up against, which is the total restoration of my mouth. If there was a hint of an idea, an itch about the possibility of going through a transformation, a restoration of your smile, I would undoubtedly recommend that you look at Dr. Dhaliwal and his team. I've only had one opportunity to do this. I truly believe I've had this done by one of the best in this country has to offer.